Beautiful, I think that life is beautiful. You wanna see your friends, but you're stuck inside a hospital. Doctor walks in and he tells you that it's terminal.
Hello everyone, this is Sahil and you are watching Travelogue. In this video, we are gonna talk about Paris. So now, without wasting any of your precious time, let's get started with the video. Paris is the capital and the most populous city of France with an estimated population of 2,148,271 residents as in 2020 in an area of 105 kilometers or 41 miles. Since the 17th century, Paris has been one of the Europe's major centers of finance, diplomacy, commerce, fashion, science and arts. The overall population of people in Paris is the 18% of the overall population of the people in France. Paris region had a GDP of 709 billion euros in 2017. According to the Economist Intelligence Unit Worldwide Cost of Living Survey in 2018, Paris was the second most expensive city in the world after Singapore and ahead of Zurich, Hong Kong, Oslo and Geneva. The city is a major railway, highway and air transport hub served by two international airports, Paris Charles de Gaulle, the second busiest airport in Europe, and Paris Orly. Paris Metro serves 5.23 million passengers daily. It is the second busiest metro system in Europe after Moscow Metro. Paris is especially known for its museums and architectural landmarks. The Louvre was the most visited art museum in the world in 2018 with 9.6 million visitors. Paris receives 38 million visitors in 2019, measured by the hotel stays, with the largest number of foreign visitors coming from United States, United Kingdom, Germany and China. It was ranked as the second most visited travel destinations in the world in 2019 after Bangkok and just ahead of London. One of the most monumental attractions of Paris and whole France is the Eiffel Tower situated in Paris. It is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower, locally named La Dame de Fer and in English as Iron Lady. It has now become a global cultural icon of Paris and France as one of the most recognizable structures in the world. Eiffel Tower is the most visited paid monument in the world. 6.91 million people ascended it in 2015. If you guys are interested to know about Eiffel Tower and France in detail, then comment below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then like this video, comment, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and set it to all. Thank you for joining me in this video. Let's meet again in my next videos.